జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కిష్కింధాకాండ. Tara saying to Lakshmana, "Oh Lakshmana, seeing you in so much anger, all the Vanaras getting scared to death, please bring down your anger and please be pleasant." Like that, when Tara with all of her humbleness spoke to Lakshmana, Lakshmana accepted Tara's words and cooled down, and he became very pleasant. When Lakshmana became very pleasant, then Sugriva's fear also gone. Then Sugriva's ahankaram also is gone. Immediately, Kanthagatam malyam chitram bahugunam mahat chicheda. Sugriva has taken all of his garlands and ornaments and broke them and just threw away, and immediately came to Lakshmana with all of his humbleness and started talking to Lakshmana while making Lakshmana happy. Sugriva saying like this, "Lakshmana, Rama prasadat punah praptam idam maya." Only with Rama's anugraham I got all my pleasures and wealth back. Only with Rama's anugraham I got again my fame back. Only with Rama's anugraham I got my kingdom back. Lakshmana, the help that Rama has done, I am indebted to Ramachandra Swami, and it is impossible for me to pay him back. Lakshmana, Ramachandra Swami is Dharmatma. He himself can go and kill Ravana and bring Sita back. All that only for name's sake I have to be there right next to Ramachandra Swami. That's all. I can see that only Rama by himself can do everything. Oh Lakshmana, I have seen Rama just with one arrow. He shooted 7 huge trees. He unrooted them and he broke the entire mountain and he peeled out the earth just with one arrow. Such great soldier Sri Ramachandra Swami. He does not need anyone's help. Lakshmana, Rama, just by pulling the string of his bow, he made this entire world scared to death. Such great Ramachandra Swami does not need anyone's help. He himself can go and unroot Ravana along with entire of his entourage. All that I need to do is, for name's sake, I have to follow Rama. Lakshmana, please forgive me if I have done any mistakes. Lakshmana, please forgive me if I ignored you. In this world, is there anyone that who hasn't done any mistake? That is why, Lakshmana, please forgive me. Like that, when Sugriva spoke to Lakshmana, Lakshmana felt very happy and saying to Sugriva like this, "Oh Sugriva, sarvadhahi mama bhrata sanadho vanaresvara." If you are there as a guardian to my Rama, it is considered that Rama has got all the help in this world. Oh Sugriva, if you are humble and be there as a guardian to my Rama, That means a lot to Rama, and that means Rama has got all the help in this world. Oh Sugriva, I know you are such a good one. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman-Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.